In this video, we will learn how to ready up in Fortnite. So in Fortnite, the ready up button normally appears when you are in a party of more than one person, so 2, 3 or 4 people. And the ready up normally indicates that you are ready to play the game to your other party members. So in order to ready up, firstly you need to come to the play button. After that, you need to select the game mode from the bottom hand side of your screen. You can select any of the buy epic game modes or any game mode, custom game mode that you want. So if you want to play battle royale, just select it. After selecting battle royale, you can see that instead of this play button, there will be a ready up for you if you are in a party. And if you are not in a party, just clicking on this play button means that you are ready to play the game. So this is essentially how you can ready up in Fortnite and enjoy the game with everybody. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.